What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be finally testing out this Chinese electric bike. So we're gonna see how fast this thing goes. I'm hoping around 70 to 80 miles per hour, but who knows? It could be slower, it could be faster, so let's test it out. Let's increase some speed, boys. Yeah! 45, 53, 57, 60. Damn, I did not expect it. Boys. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell? Guys, I can't believe how fast this thing goes. 89 miles per hour. What the hell? I can't believe this. It's crazy. This is not bad for an electric bike. This is this is hella fast, man. This is hella fast. Yeah. There you go, boys. That's my speed test on this Chinese electric bike. Hope you guys like the video, and stay tuned for my next one. I'll be doing a range test on how long the battery lasts. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.